सी जो मेरी चीज़ होती है, जो हमने बनाई होती है, जो प्रॉमिस किया होता है वो मैं करता हूँ, और मुझे ये भी मालूम है जो
Yeah, the gentleman in the
खान साहब,
yellow.
दिस इज आलोक फ्रॉम OFM, आपके राइट में ही। मेरा सवाल है, आपने स्वदेश भी की है, आप परदेश भी कर चुके हैं फिल्म। परदेशियों को स्वदेश में बुला करके और उनके सामने एंकरिंग करना कितना फन होने वाला है, एंटरटेनिंग होने वाला है?
एक्चुअली एंकरिंग करना या होस्ट करना या कुछ किसी एक मजमे को उनका दिल बहलाना, उनसे बात करना शो पे निर्भर करता है यार। आई थिंक अ होस्ट और अ होस्टेस is as good. Like I think this must be a fantastic show because Minnie is so good. You're as good as the show that you're doing. So I think the content we have for this show is world talent here, and in different facets. It's not just dancing and singing, which is also amazing, but there are going to be some very different things. Whenever I've gone on India's Got Talent, and I must confess, on evenings when I have nothing else to do or I'm very sad and I want to see some, I get a lot of ideas from Britain's Got Talent, and there was one Sardarji who danced once to a Michael Jackson. I mean, amazing stuff, man. Amazing stuff. You get so many ideas. The other night I was working out and I said, I want to do some new thing in my new film. And my trainer tells me, sir, आप India Got Talent देखो, उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ निकलेगा. So you find ideas because we get so narrowed down by what we do every day because of the jobs. So I think a host or an hostess is going to be as good as the show it is containing. So this show is fantastic. My job is going to be easy. I hopefully will be able to talk to you well. I'll be able to do what I do best. And the show is going to be bigger than the host or anything else, inshallah.
पिछले दिनों में आपके ट्विटर पे काफ़ी लोग आपकी तस्वीरें भेजते थे, और क्या ये इसी श्रृंखला का ट्रेलर था जो ये टैलेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला है?
Sorry, we didn't get that question.
Would I ever advertise on? Do you think I need to advertise on Twitter?
नहीं, लोग आपकी तस्वीरें बना करके भेजते थे, आपको कुछ पसंद आती थी?
लोग मुझे क्या क्या भेजते हैं तो मैं बताऊंगा कभी आराम से मैं।
Thank you so much. The gentleman here, can we give them a mic?
Mr. Raj and Shahrukh, आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल था। ईशान from News Express. राज, पहली बात तो शाहरुख ने खुद इच्छा
कहाँ हो तुम यार?
Right there in the red shirt. Do you want to stand up?
खड़ा होना यार, ऐसा क्या?
पहले तो शाहरुख खान बहुत कम ही अपनी इच्छा जाहिर करते हैं काम करने की किसी के साथ। आपके संग उन्होंने इच्छा जाहिर की है काम करने की, क्यों ना इस बार बिग बॉस में?
अरे उनसे ज्यादा तो हमारा इच्छा है उनके साथ काम करने की। हम 1.5 साल से सोच रहे हैं हाउ डू वी, एंड आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, इट इज सीरियस, एंड आई मेट शाहरुख अबाउट a year and a half ago and I told him we should do something together, and since that day I said it's also about identifying a show or a program that lives up to Shah Rukh's stature. So we just can't take Shah Rukh Khan and use him in a show for the sake of it. So we've been ideating quite a lot, and inshallah बहुत जल्दी वो भी हो जाएगा।
बिग बॉस में इस बार चांस दे दिया जाए, क्योंकि सलमान खुद कह चुके हैं शाहरुख
Right.
बहुत अच्छे
We have just one more question left, and we'd like to take
इस सवाल के तुझे 10 on 10। तुम खुश तो बहुत होगे।
खान साहब, आपसे सवाल था, कई सारे टैलेंट शोज आते हैं, कई सारे विनर्स भी होते हैं उनमें, लेकिन कई ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनकी जो प्रॉमिसेस किए जाते हैं टैलेंट से वो पूरे नहीं होते। तो एज एन सुपरस्टार, एज अ होस्ट ऑफ द शो, आप कितनी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हैं कि इस तरीके की चीज़ें फ्रॉड ना हो किसी भी आर्टिस्ट या किसी भी टैलेंट के साथ?
सी जो मेरी चीज़ होती है, जो हमने बनाई होती है, जो प्रॉमिस किया होता है वो मैं करता हूँ, और मुझे ये भी मालूम है जो 90% लोग हैं, 95% लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं काम करता हूँ, वो सभी उसको डिलीवर करते हैं जो होना चाहिए। कभी कभार अगर ऊंच नीच हो जाती है, वो गलती से होती है। आई डोंट थिंक एनी पर्सन हु प्रोड्यूसेस शोज विद promises of taking talent somewhere makes an empty promise, because I think when a show is done like India's Got Talent and other talent shows also, I think the biggest happiness and achievement for the producers, the makers, the creators of the show is that their showcase talent becomes the most famous. So I don't think anyone holds back on that. If there are instances like this, there must be some kind of a slip, but I don't think anyone does it intentionally. So as a host or as a person, maybe I can't look at it, but I'm sure everybody else does give it a lot of import.
Shahrukh sir, here. Actually, the show, Got Talent, the stage, is more about inspirations and aspirations. Having touched so many lives, you've actually inspired a lot of people, be it a journalist or an actor or anybody else, and also given life to many other inspiration. You've been an inspirational story for many. How do you take it? Unintentionally or intentionally touching lives all throughout your life?
What's your name?
Nayandeep.
Nayandeep, I think most of the people, especially, I'll speak about myself because I don't want to include others. Maybe I'm speaking out of turn. But if I have in any which way touched anybody's life and have been an inspiration, the honest truth is, I'm not the one responsible for it alone. I can take the credit for it, I'm the packaging for it, I'm the face of it. But there are people behind who work extremely hard to create someone of an inspiration. You know, yes, I work hard, I do my stuff, I have a little bit of talent, I try my best every time. But there are people like Raj here, and there are a lot of producers and directors and creators and writers who actually make it happen. I think one can't solo take the credit for it. All I can say is that one gets fortunate enough to create a team of people. So for the last 20 years, 25 years, I think I've had just such a wonderful team of people who have made me the face of the inspiration. The actual inspiration is mostly backstage. As a matter of fact, my office is called Backstage because I really believe most of the stuff, I mean, these guys are coming here tonight. I didn't know he's the director of the show, that he produces it, how many months they go. Ron has created it with Simon Cowell. We don't even know these names unless we come and introduce it. And they're also, unfortunately, through a Bollywood star. But these are the guys who make it. So I think becoming an inspiration is a very fortunate accident that happens because of the team that you have. So I take it, I hope I always have a good team so that I can keep on inspiring people.